Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today, we will be comparing two portable washing machines, the Anypro Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces, but they have different features and price points that make them suitable for various needs. Let's dive in and see which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the Anypro Portable Washing Machine offers a larger washing capacity of 17.8 pounds, making it ideal for bigger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for smaller items. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have larger loads to wash. The Anypro Portable Washing Machine stands out with its 10 wash programs, providing versatility for different fabric types and cleaning needs. On the other hand, the portable washing machine offers 3 cleaning modes, which, while sufficient for small loads, may not cater to the diverse washing requirements that some users might have. This feature comparison is crucial for those who want more control over their washing. In terms of portability, the Anypro Portable Washing Machine has a larger footprint, which may not be ideal for very tight spaces. Conversely, the portable washing machine features a foldable design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. This aspect is particularly beneficial for users who frequently move or have limited space in their homes. In conclusion, both the Anypro and portable washing machines offer unique benefits depending on your needs. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the Anypro is the way to go. However, if you prioritize portability and affordability, the portable washing machine may be the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.